In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to crop and resize images in Photoshop, specifically focusing on cropping to a specific size. This is a fundamental skill for anyone looking to enhance their digital imagery, whether for professional purposes or just for sharing with friends and family. Let's dive right in and explore how you can manipulate your images with precision and ease. First and foremost, you'll want to prepare your image. Open Adobe Photoshop and import the image you'd like to work with. You can do this quickly by navigating to the File menu and selecting Open, then browsing your files to find the image you need. Once your image is open, take a moment to review it, considering what part of the image you'll want to focus on and how you want your composition to look after resizing. Moving on to cropping your image, Photoshop provides several tools that make this process a breeze. A handy shortcut to bring up the image size settings is by pressing Ctrl plus Alt plus I on your keyboard. This command lets you easily check and alter the image's current dimensions. It's a great starting point if you're aiming to achieve a particular image size or aspect ratio. Take a good look at the pixel dimensions and resolution displayed here, as it'll be essential for understanding how much you might want to crop or resize. Now let's make your crop a specific size, which is where precision truly matters. If you're looking to target specific dimensions, it's important to know how to execute this accurately. To make your desired crop, hold down the Alt key and drag the handles of the selection area. This process ensures that the center of your crop remains fixed, allowing you to maintain your intended focal point without shifting the entire selection. As you're dragging, notice how the dimensions adjust dynamically. This feature is incredibly useful when you have specific size requirements, such as preparing images for web use or printing. Keeping proportions locked can be crucial, and making sure the crop tool is set to maintain the aspect ratio will help you achieve clean and professional results. Before finalizing your crop, always double-check the area you've selected, ensuring it includes all the elements you wish to keep. This step is vital for avoiding any regrets about cutting out important parts of your image. Once you're satisfied with your selection, go ahead and confirm it by pressing the Enter key. Remember, a well-cropped image can dramatically enhance its overall impact and effectiveness, whether you're creating a striking visual for your portfolio or a simple memento for a loved one. Practice this technique, and soon it'll become second nature, allowing your creativity to shine through in every project you tackle. That's all for this session on cropping and resizing images in Photoshop.